Hey everybody, I'm Alex with Lafontaine Classic Cars, and here we have a 1963 Ford F100. This beautiful vehicle is finished in holly green, sporting a white grille, white bumpers, and even the wheels have been painted white, sporting the factory hubcaps. The remaining trim looks fine. The mirrors are in good repair. Door handles look good. The chute to the fuel tank looks nice and clean. Out back, we'll find all of our hardware, functions as it should. The bed shows a little sign of rust, but everything's strong enough to hold me. The paint on the roof looks great, as well as the back panel. And all the glass looks phenomenal from where I'm standing. All the lenses on our lights look fantastic. And our exhaust has been previously replaced. Under the hood, we'll find our 292 cubic inch V8, which is mated to a column shifted 3-speed, and it transfers its power to the ground via 2 wheels, and the rear axle has a ratio of 3.89. Inside the vehicle, we'll find that the previous owner reupholstered the bench seat with a saddle brown vinyl, and they've also added a tachometer, a water temp gauge, a gauge for your amperage, as well as your oil pressure. Behind the seat, we'll find a new fuel tank, as well as your tire change and iron. Inside the glove box, we've got a few goodies like what I believe to be the original lock cylinder and a handful of nuts and bolts. Here we've got our choke, our fan operation, and all of our switches work fine.
First gear. Shifting up to second. Down to third. Locked in. Feels smooth, gauges work, fuel gauge is ticking away. Our factory temp gauge, we got a few other gauges here. Obviously auxiliary gauges, a tachometer over here. In third gear now. We're slowing down up here to the stop sign. We'll go up into second. Slow down. As we approach the stop sign, we will go back down into first. Nice and easy. Start off in first, nice and smooth. Let's go up to second here. Right into second, no problems, all good. And we'll go into third. Nice and easy. Great driver, smooth shifts. Doesn't get much better than this in the 63 F100.
All right, everyone. Once again, I'm Alex with Lafontaine Classic Cars. This has been our 1963 Ford F100. If you'd like any more information, feel free to give us a call at 248-714-2110. If you'd like to check out the rest of our inventory, you can find it at www.lafontaineClassicCars.com. We do ship nationwide as well as worldwide. Feel free to give us a like at the bottom.